Easy ways to make money with AI. Discover how AI technology can help you unlock financial freedom and maximize profits. Watch now to learn more. Are you looking for a new way to generate income and achieve financial freedom? The fast-growing industry of AI technology opens up a world of endless possibilities for businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs alike. With the ability to automate tasks, unlock valuable insights quickly, and unlock profitable opportunities, it's no wonder why many are turning to AI as a promising new way to maximize profits. But there are a few ethical considerations you need to consider before reaping the potential benefits. So go ahead and join us in this video as we explore the exciting potential and money-making opportunities of AI technology, while outlining some of the strategies, safeguards, and best practices to ensure success. If you're ready to unlock the potential of AI technology and start making money, subscribe to 33 Cubed, and keep watching to learn how you can maximize your profits while staying ethical. Finding the right AI platform is essential for successful financial ventures. When evaluating your options, you need to consider customer feedback and determine whether a particular platform meets all of your needs specifically related to making money. Additionally, take into consideration any limitations that could hinder you from fully utilizing an opportunity of working with certain partners in the short term, rather than long-term projects. Before deciding if it's worth investing time and energy into learning how to use a specific program or plug in information through efficient parameters like automation software variables, make sure that you do some sample work first. Don't forget to consult fellow peers who have used various platforms regarding their experiences either. By doing this due diligence up front, you can avoid solutions that won't bring down the road while helping maximize profits now, along with leveraging business relationships more effectively over time, both inside and outside current job preferences within core capacities leading up towards financial freedom. So how will using this ability provided by freelancer gig services enable aspirants to abandon traditional employment models altogether? Freelancing with AI can open up a lot of different new opportunities. App development is one field that often utilizes automated computer systems and allows for creative expression of more efficient mobile products for customers. Data analysis also provides an opportunity to dive into complex numerical subjects and gain insights based on pattern matching and trend research. This can help with decision-making and job security in specific roles. Automation usage can also increase productivity by avoiding workflow hiccups. This type of gig has become very desirable, especially during these difficult times, offering the potential to increase income levels online far exceeding traditional occupations. Leveraging available smart automation technologies can help entrepreneurs maintain financial stability while running their own independent business ventures. Exploiting automation tools can be really helpful when developing AI products. Automation variables provide efficient parameters to streamline processes with minimal human input, while artificial intelligence algorithms identify hidden patterns and trends from large amount of data, which can give better insights than humans alone. Not only that, but businesses can benefit too. By using automated solutions, they save time on mundane tasks and focus more on desired outcomes rather than spending time on manual labor and trial and error issues associated with changing workflows, i.e. app development. So when trying to make money through automated computer systems, it's important to choose a platform that meets all your needs, including customer feedback both inside and outside your current job preferences and within your core capacities, leading you towards financial freedom. Eventually, this can enable you to break free from traditional employment models altogether, but the question remains, will machine learning truly bring forth completely autonomous entities capable of taking over various occupations? Leave your thoughts in the comments down below. Developing AI-based products is a complex and multifaceted endeavor. It's important to understand the end-user needs and any potential technical or system limitations that can prevent you from successfully developing an AI product for your target audience. Define the scope of work in order to avoid creating overwhelming goals with limited resources. Refer back to determining what types of automation are the most suitable given specific parameters like the project timeline and budget. Take feedback over time to maximize profits while working within variables related to psychological states. Aim for bigger ambitions and eventually towards financial freedom. Invest in trading stocks related to AI to pave forward the way for the industry. Investing in AI stocks is a great way to make money if you know what sectors and companies are likely to be successful. You need to understand the market, including current trends and potential investors, because there's always risks involved with trading stocks or commodities. You should also keep an eye out for legal changes related to transparency for publicly traded entities, especially those based on technology like AI algorithms. This includes government rulings on software usage standards, data privacy regulations, and complexities between private and public initiatives, both online and offline. Plus, AI algorithms are constantly evolving as a society, moving towards completely automated operational models with minimal human input. This is leading to sweeping industrial transformations powered mainly by machines and not people. So considering all these aspects, how does using AI-powered chatbot technology help businesses improve customer support services? Chatbot technology provides an efficient and personalized way for businesses to interact with their customers. By offering automatic responses and automated processes based on specific coded scripts, chatbots can save time communicating common information and frequently asked questions about products and services through text messages, emails, or live chat platforms. Instead of spending a lot of resources onboarding new employees to take customer service requests, business owners can use this AI-enabled tool, allowing them more capital flexibility when making money using automation services, including ML-powered bots that provide real-time assistance whenever needed without any human supervision necessary. This provides increased profitability while still delivering high-quality results and experiences overall. But how can traditional small-scale entrepreneurs leverage the same technological approach with limited budgets? AI is transforming how businesses around the world operate, and small-scale entrepreneurs can take advantage of this by researching potential opportunities to capitalize on them. For example, applications like surveillance systems designed for large public spaces use facial recognition technology. AI-powered customer service results in both cost savings thanks to automated processes and instant responses available anytime without human intervention. Automating supply chain management creates predictive analytics capabilities with added flexibility to adjust operations based on real-time market trends. The possibilities for using automation vary significantly depending on the sector or type of business you're involved in, so it's important to stay informed about industry advancement. This can be done through active self-research and personal experimentation, consulting software development experts and getting feedback from peers about their experiences and opinions related to your intended objectives. Before investing financial resources, make sure to input relevant information into project specification formats. Additionally, pay close attention to regulations involving central control grid networks and furthering AI services overall. This leads to turning passive hobbies into wealth optimization opportunities. Ultimately, what other strategies exist beyond just purchasing an AI services package deal? Investing in AI services like software and hardware building helps increase efficiency, scalability, and accuracy when it comes to automating tasks like data analysis and customer service operations. This can result in cost savings when accessing valuable data insights more quickly, all of which can help optimize the returns on investments businesses make. Additionally, seeking out third-party help with regards to technology that isn't natively integrated into the current business strategy gives increased accessibility when it comes to providing quality outcomes during real-world applicable scenarios, even if there is a significant risk associated with it, like user feedback mismanagement issues or slow coding cycles. So how should entrepreneurs approach automation technology to get the maximum value for their money? Selling AI applications can be a great way for entrepreneurs with coding skills or access to programming knowledge to make money and expand their business. Whether creating automated systems from scratch or marketing existing plugin solutions like SaaS, software as a service products, there is potential in the industry. Moreover, using programs like predictive analytics algorithms are additional ways of leveraging adaptive technology that simulates growth associated with trading stocks and commodities related to core investment activities involving artificial intelligence models. Depending on the desired outcome, this can enable users to capture far greater returns than traditional employment channels provide while engaging contemporary financial streams. This opens up many new doors accompanied by higher revenues on average across healthcare automation operations, reducing excessive job market controls. Through either direct exposure or alternative investment subsidized by protective regulations approved by relevant governments around the world, this provides an opportunity to scale business ventures accordingly over specified periods. But how do ethical considerations come into play when defining parameters tied to developing innovative computer software based on active machine learning procedures? This video explores the various ways that entrepreneurs can make money by leveraging the power of AI. From developing automated systems to creating SaaS products and investing in AI stocks, there's plenty of opportunities to increase income levels online. Additionally, businesses can benefit from automated solutions that save time on mundane tasks and focus more on desired outcomes. When investing in AI, it's important to consider customer feedback, legal changes, software usage standards, and data privacy regulations. Finally, ethical considerations need to be taken into account when developing innovative computer software based on active machine learning procedures. If you're ready to join the AI revolution and capitalize on the potential for significant growth and financial freedom, don't miss out on our next video. We're going to be exploring the exciting world of AI-powered chatbots and how to build and sell them for businesses. Tune in now to get started. Thank you for watching. Join 33Q by subscribing and hit the bell button to stay notified whenever we post.